The reason why Nnamdi Kanu we are sentenced to life imprisonment today has nothing doing with IPOB. Go and check that ruling in the court. Go and check the ruling in the court. You will see that nothing. IPOB did not contribute anything towards Nnamdi Kanu life imprisonment. Go and read the rulings.
Okay. Iye as Nnamdi Kanu arrest or makano IPOB leader or makano just ulu Nnamdi Kanu.
You see, we are talking about law. The reason why Nnamdi Kanu were adopted or according to so-called kidnap is because of the activities of IPOB. But when we are talking about the jail term of Nnamdi Kanu,
it's not the reason we adopt Thomas Nnamdi Kanu is because of the activities of IPOB.
Yes.
Why never long adopt?
What do you mean?
Are you not a member of indigenous people of Biafra?
Let me tell you something. Let me tell you something. Some things that some of you don't understand. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you what you don't know. Otu anno now. Of course, I'm a go. Now, you don't even have an idea. Let me tell you. Common people now gonna street with flag. They had a DSS dungeon.
The question is, why Nemelongi adopt to face those charges as an IPOB?
Okay, let me answer you straight. Let me answer you straight. Even though Nigerian government sent a letter, because as I'm living here in Germany, I never committed any crime before. Due to the condition of Nigeria, it's very, very hard for a German to sign extra or rendition of me back to Nigeria. Nnamdi Kanu no Europe. There is no way Europeans will give Nnamdi Kanu back to Nigeria. It will never happen. But if I go to African soil as a leader, there is a 90% of these people to grab me. That is why in Jadua law, Ejimako, how can you tell us that Nnamdi Kanu is searching for safer heaven in Africa, not Europe, not America?
Okay, not a simple question to address this destiny kuna. IPOB and national coordinator Ghana.
Yes.
And national coordinator Benin Republic.
Yes.
And national coordinator Cameroon. Why name those people kidnap? Let
me put it in a sense that you are going to understand this. Though I have denounced Nnamdi Kanu, I have denounced him. Let me tell
that
you. That
doesn't make any change.
I can call because in shock and how you will understand it. In every struggle, the key point is the leader. And the second in command and third in command. The most people are like graph one leader, second in command, and third in command in every organization.
So who is the leader?
So this guy, so he didn't know that the reason
why who is the leader?
Nnamdi Kanu was a leader, he was ex-leader. Nnamdi Kanu was a leader by then. Yes, he's a leader by then. Now, do you understand what I'm saying?
Now, okay, the reason you were kidnapped a leader of IPOB, right?
But yes.
And the kidnap as a leader of IPOB, we lose the activities of the organization. Okay?
No. I have the young okay, Nnamdi Kanu, Ebunatari, Nigeria. That is why they be able to secure that judgment, discharge and acquit. But some of you say that it's nothing like acquit. Okay, let's take discharge, because there is no evidence to link Nnamdi Kanu to all those things. He was doing only broadcast. Now they be able to hold him down, to use Simon Ekpa to facilitate his sentence. That is what really happened. Are you now understand what is going on now? I have to explain to you why Nnamdi Kanu
in 2015.
Yes.
The charges are charging Nnamdi Kanu or based on IPOB activities.
Okay, thank you very much. It's also based on, I will answer you, and they just give me a second, I will answer you. The reason why the Nnamdi Kanu in 2015 IPOB, we are not so strong like this. I don't know why some of you don't understand that IPOB.
The question was the charges of the Nigerian government used against Mazen Namdekan as of 2015. Or is it the issue of IPOB can use to charge Mazen Namdekan in 2015?
It's about transmitter. Because someone gave one idea. It's about transmitter. It's also an IPOB transmitter. But let me tell you something. I want you to understand me very well.
Okay. He had charged that 2015 with transmitter.
I like a model doing Young came on be this, Obruna, Obro that now. Nam the can, Obro age than Nam the can 2015. The level of IPOB today. Even though the first time you know that what is his name? Obasanjo is the first person that arrested him in the but he see that no, this thing I'm arrested, this thing does not hold water. Obasanjo don't want to escalate things. He just leave him. And again, in 2015. You can't jail me. There is nothing you can use to jail him. There is not.
The question on Jogebo 2015, yes. The charges are charging Mazenam they can or based on activities of IPOB or on another personal thing. It charged in 2015.
What do you mean?
I think the charges
I'm not talking about the rule of law now. From almost, I think this is the third one. It's all about the agitation. Yes.
Okay, thank you. Now, is it possible that you will be charged because of IPOB, then sentenced because of a mango tree?
Ima no nwere ihe people ga-adịghị aghọta. Paul Achebe agbago nge iwoshia the law, that statute law. Only two ways. Ima o nwere some people ga-adịghị aghọta with law. Ima ni nwere ike izu ohi now. E ga court adishaja acquit. Even all these ujoshi. Ihe about technicalities. Ihe na akọwara yes. This last one na age area na got life imprisonment. The reason why they be able to secure discharge and acquit, there is no crime against him to hold him down. When they saw that this thing, there's no how they can hold him down the canon. Because Nigerian government really want to destroy IPOB and they believe that Nnamdi Kanu is all. And we have already gotten the leader. Now, as far as the court, the first time discharging Nnamdi Kanu, and that court stated, taking Nnamdi Kanu back to where you pick him, compensating Nnamdi Kanu with money, and at the same time, apologize to Nnamdi Kanu in every media of his choice.
That judgment. And which of the that judgment and which of the court?
In appeal court, they get the judgment in fourth court, in fourth small court, the court of Bintanyaku, the case of Nnamdi Kanu were 15 count charges against him. In court of appeal in court of Bintanyaku, which is a small court, Barrister Jofo be able to trash 7 count charges. Now, for them to be able to free Nnamdi Kanu, they have to make appeal. Because Bintanyaku have already ruled his own. Now they have to make appeal to go to competent court of appeal. That is why we call it competent court of appeal. They go there and they brought Barrister Sam Osekome, doctor. They be able to trash the whole 8 remaining count charges. Now, they discharge Nnamdi Kanu and acquit him. But there's something people don't understand. That Nnamdi Kanu case is a political case. Nnamdi Kanu with his people that he's leading by then as a leader. We are trying to balkanize Nigeria. We are trying to cease Nigeria to exist. We are trying to disintegrate Nigeria. And there is no how when you are trying to do all these things, the country will just release you and tell you, oh God, just go. It can never happen. Nigeria have to find a way to also nail him. When Sam Osekome understand that this is not the way it's supposed to go, he begin to go for political solution that we should negotiate this thing because he knows that the case of Nnamdi Kanu is a high profile. But I don't know what come over Nnamdi Kanu because like I said, he have already deviated. I believe that is why he be able to go back again to small court. That's why you see all these 15 count charges. Nnamdi Kanu at the end say, where is the court of appeal charge? That case have died. That as far as Nnamdi Kanu went back again to small court.
Okay, Biafrachild, yes. Sorry again. Emma with the discharge and acquitted, right?
Yes.
Which person's duty call a file a case compelling Nigeria government and the DSS to release Nnamdi Kanu after getting the discharge and acquit?
Is his lawyers, but now let me explain because him and mess. I'm like Kanzaro direct, and I love to answer direct. Okay, the charge Nnamdi Kanu. I'm sometimes say that what if nako. Asenge when Nnamdi Kanu been discharged and acquit, they are still holding him because of the level of the crime. We want to seize Nigeria to exist. This is not just a small case. It's not a case that they will release you as a Nigeria. Of course, I'm telling you, if it's in Europe, that day they will open door for Nnamdi Kanu to go. That is reality of life.
They are franchise.
Let me answer you first. Now you let me answer
my question. Now,
Paul Achebe, as I go and give you asking Nandega file the thing for Nnamdi Kanu now for them to bring him out is the lawyer. Now I said
after the lawyers because now actually need them the name of the lawyers in question file. Because Martin were numerous lawyer, Mandela,
okay, now let me ask you this question because I don't know why some of you don't even understand when I'm speaking. Now let me ask you a question again because you have asked also a lot of questions. All the same thing can't all the same question. Oh, God, oh, yeah, okay, hold on. During the time of Bintanyaku case and the Court of Appeal, who are the lead counsel of Nnamdi? Who is the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu? In every lawyer, they have lead counsel. During the time of Court of Appeal, who is the lead counsel of Nnamdi Kanu? Who is he?
Okay, in the beginning was Ifeanyi Ejiofor, then later introduced Chief Mike Eziokwu.
Yes, these people you call now, they were the people at the end when Nnamdi Kanu get that discharge and acquit. Who was leading that lawyers were Sam Osekome. He is the lead counsel. Okay,
hang up actually a file that case. Now the question to why didn't they file for Nigeria government to release Nnamdi Kanu according to the judgment you claim they got?
Okay. That is why, let me tell you something. There is some issue that you will ask me. I will tell you. I will tell you my opinion because I'm not a legal practitioner.
This is my question. I below your opinion.
Listen. Okay, now sometimes someone has to do meaning because releasing Nnamdi Kanu 2015. Nnamdi Kanu did not walk out from that prison now. No. He waited almost going to 2 months before, but the Ifeanyi Ejiofor keep on continue. Listen, Nnamdi Kanu, these people are also the people that have to file. That is when Barrister Sam Osekome introduced political solution. What do you mean by introducing political solution of Sam Osekome? That is what he was going for. Because he understands that Nnamdi Kanu case is not going to work out from there. Nnamdi Kanu have committed this crime before. Nigeria is looking for him, and now they got him. It's not going to be easy. He go for political solution. What they are franchise, and the same thing they are doing today. What
I because on point in a make.
Yes.
Now, according to Ngiwa, it's not Chief Mike Eziokwu, who is the Nnamdi Kanu lead the council. With discharge, Mazi, discharge, madam, that acquitted the person. do the person still have any case or any crime on him or not?
Nah, Paul Achebe.
Yeah, simple question because
Paul Achebe, don't ask. So does it mean that
I enjoy this question? Just that time me bu here. At this stage, does it mean that now the crime alleged now the person commit no nya ka commit record no nya had innocent?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, the charge ex-leader of IPOB Nnamdi Kanu. I repeat, when somebody get discharged and acquit, he's supposed to walk away from that prison.
That is, he become innocent, right?
Yes, but pay attention. Listen, as a panga, let me now give you more what I mean by saying it, because
wrap all those things. Go ahead.
Before. No Europe, when near this discharge and acquitted. Even though discharged, let's forget about acquit. Only discharge, I get that door. Why? They will leave it. But now, because of the system of Nigeria, that is why they can never leave Nnamdi Kanu, because they want to destroy Nigeria. You know that there are some things that you may get discharged in Nigeria due to the crime. They will still hold you. That is exactly what happened when Sam Osekome were going for political solution. I repeat again, that is when that political solution come in.
Okay, Biafrachild, now, more actually to get as a person, as who you are now. Name mega arrest.
Yes.
Then your lawyer got you discharged and acquitted. Instead of that lawyer got to get discharged and acquitted, Inga file a case compelling the government and the people jigging to follow the court order and obey the ruling of a competent court. That lawyer happy just initiate a political solution.
Okay.
What will you now do to that lawyer?
No.
That is what you said to me now.
Yes, that is what I said, and now I will explain it more better, because now all time they may explain very much. When I asked, I called Barrister Eziokwu on this issue. That's why about sometimes there are some things that I cannot tell you because I was not there. And this thing where they talk now, you're going to tell me the version of what they told you. You can't even tell what is real there. I will answer you the way I know. When I called Barrister Eziokwu on this matter, he told me that is what they were working on, to file some document, and they are on the process. And at the same time, they understand what is behind the Nnamdi Kanu problem. It's about political solution. This is only how I can answer you. I was not there. I was not a lawyer. So, that is what you're going to tell me, isn't it?
You yourself can do better. The Biafrachild.
Yes.
Meanwhile, lawyer, a very sound lawyer.
Yes.
When we're telling you discharged and acquitted to you, instead of that lawyer now to file a case and to fight for your release, compelling Nigeria or compelling the people that hold you to release you to obey the court order. Now, instead of that lawyer made that thing, that lawyer initiate a political solution on a case that a competent court rule go she need the innocent no one crime he commit. That lawyer, and what will be your stand?
Okay. Let me also answer you again. And this will be because this question now, you have asked this question over and over. I